Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Millet porridge with curd recipe for babies and toddlers. Loaded with calcium, iron, and fibre, millets are a good meal option for your baby. Here is an easy millet porridge recipe that you can serve your child with curd. Suitable for babies over 7 months of age. Meal schedule: breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Cooking time needed. Preparation time: 10 minutes. Cooking time: 10 minutes. Total time: 20 minutes. Ingredients needed: millet, 3 tablespoons. Clarified butter, 1 teaspoon. Cumin seeds, ½ teaspoon. Asafoetida, a pinch. Salt to taste. Water, 1 cup. Recipe: how to make. Step 1. Take millet pearls and grind them into fine powder in a blender jar. Keep aside. Step 2. Heat clarified butter in a pan. Add cumin seeds and asafoetida. Cook for a few seconds until the tempering becomes fragrant and aromatic. Step 3. Add millet powder in the pan. Roast on medium flame until it turns slightly brown. Step 4. Add water while stirring the mixture continuously to avoid forming lumps. Step 5. Add salt and cook on medium flame until you get the desired consistency or for 3 to 4 minutes. Step 6. Remove from heat. Let the porridge become cool down a bit before you serve it to your baby. Step 7. Once it cools down, serve it to your baby with fresh homemade curd. Recipe tips. Tip number 1. You can roast millet pearls for a few minutes before grinding. This would render fine aroma and flavor to the porridge. Tip number 2. You can add boiled and chopped vegetables such as carrots, peas, beans, etc. to lend more nutritive value and texture to the porridge. Tip number 3. If your baby likes sweet porridge, you can replace water with milk and salt with jaggery, palm sugar, date sugar, or honey. Skip the cumin and asafoetida and replace it with cardamom powder. Tip number 4. You can store the leftover porridge for a day or 2 in the fridge. Make sure you heat it well before serving it to your little one. Make this super simple and nutritious recipe for your munchkin and introduce your baby to the world of healthy eating.